Hi guys, whoa. I'm Randall Scott White, and I've lived in Portland 17 years, and I want to talk to you about the entrepreneurial opportunities of this amazing time we live in. The .com era is happening again. It's time for your entrepreneurial spirit to get off its ass and to get out there and do some cool stuff. I founded the sharing economy here in Portland. City of Portland licensed it. It's called Bright Neighbor back in 2007 with 7,500 users across the all 95 neighborhoods in Portland. It's called Next Door now. I should have patented that shit. Well, this is the next level, and this is the next market that is being developed because this has been wanting to happen for a long time. This is Google's April Fool's joke.
Hi, I'm John Wiley. I'm the Director of Immersive Design for VR and AR products. Right now, current VR technology, we're pretty good in terms of the visuals and the audio. But what about the other three senses? After exploring automated technologies using robotics, we found that we could actually achieve a better quality simulation with well-trained humans. We call them haptic helpers, and they can simulate a wide range of experiences. Things like smelling perfume, reading a book, or even petting a dog. How to simulate such a range of experiences has been challenging but rewarding, and our helpers' inventiveness cannot be overstated. Our helpers are constantly updating their repertoires to stay up to date with the latest VR applications being released. And the feedback we've gotten from early user testing has been incredible.
That was April 1st of this year. May I introduce you to my business? Has them smelling the ocean air while they're looking at ocean waves with a heat lamp on them, with their feet in warm sand, and drinking a Mai Tai any days. Just check out. We do corporate parties, and we also visit assisted care facilities. And we're enriching lives with virtual reality. These people aren't going to go out and buy a Samsung Gear. It's up to somebody to bring it to them. Who else could use this? Kids, educational opportunities, corporate parties, so they can find out how to put this into marketing. Because let's face it, it all comes down to the almighty dollar at the end of the day. So I am an entrepreneur. You take the arrows, you find out what the market barriers are right now in the healthcare field, and that's where I'm going to give you the big tip. It's in healthcare, that's the big money. That's where, out of gaming, it's how can people actually use this technology to enrich lives, and at the end of your life, if you're stuck in a wheelchair or a bed and somebody comes to you and they actually bring you to a beach, you're going to dig that. And that's why I do it. But this woman, they're still alive. Eloise, where was the first place you went for your VR trip?
To a strip joint.
Tell me there isn't some life in there. We visit assisted care facilities, and I'm an entertainer, and this is an entertainment vehicle. However, we're crossing the lines and getting into the gray area of therapy. So then you have to have licenses, then you have to have certain education points. You have to have things that go along where they say, well, don't you have to have a recreational therapy license? They say, no, they're going on a motorcycle ride. That's entertainment. So you have to find out that there are going to be market barriers, but I'm here to just encourage you and inspire you to get out there, get creative, because I see this as a marketing opportunity. Those customers can now say, Mom and Dad belong in this community because we have fun. It's not about Nintendo Wii anymore. That was another era. Now Mom is off to all the places she liked in the 70s where she could travel, or whatever it takes. The next big, Pluto, I met a guy from Pluto Software here at this room, another event. They just got $13.5 million yesterday because they're making a social space. So the money is there. Get your entrepreneurial spirit on. And I actually wrote to John Wiley, the guy at the Google thing, and told him about my business and how their joke, and he said, awesome. But I'm laughing all the way to the bank because it's about invoicing your clients, and I have a billable rate of $150 an hour. I encourage you to get busy with equipment that's low cost, low capital investment, and let's get VR out there and make it ubiquitous. Thank you.
Woo!
sorry, questions, yeah.
All right.
Cool. We're VentureVR, hires for your gig.
Thanks, Randall.